Now to create the data for this smartwatch, what we are doing, so inside the source directory, inside the source we are having data, and inside the data what I'm going to create, I'm going to create another file that is called smartwatch.js. okay, and I'm going to write export const smartwatch, all right, like this. And here we're gonna have one object, and I'm gonna write id as a 1. okay, name will be what, let me copy this. So let's go to the browser, and we are going to add some images. So for that I'm gonna first of all add this image, Apple smartwatch ultra. So I'm gonna copy this name, okay, and it's gonna be the name. And after that we're gonna have a brand, so the brand will be Apple, okay. And after that we're gonna have a price, right? So what is the price gonna be? The price gonna be typically $84, 84 dollars. And we're gonna have a image. So image will be what? So you can get this image URL by just clicking open image new tab, copy this URL, add it here, not a big deal, and remove this with property, like just make add it till png, which I prefer. And this is for the one image. Now if you see on the Figma, guys, here we are having a product details page, and here we have to show a multiple image, like user can scroll to the left, scroll to the left, and you can see the multiple images, right? So for that what we have to do, I'm gonna add a images array like this, and here we have to add multiple image. So first of all, the first image is gonna be like this, okay. So what I'm talking about, let me explain you guys. So here you can see that the multiple images, we have to also show these multiple images to our product details page. So let's click open image in new tab, copy this URL and add it here, okay, like this. And after this I'm gonna add another image, this image, open image new tab, that's okay. Let's copy image link, and after that let's add it here as well. So we get the 3 image. Let me add one more image. So this is gonna be like this, copy image link, and we get the 4th image as well. Do you want more? Yeah, let's add this as well, copy image link and add it here, okay. So for what we had done, we had created id, name, brand, price, image and images, okay. Now after these images, what we are going to do, we are going to have a details. So if you see here on this here we are having a details tab as well, okay. So let's add a details as well. So for now I'm gonna have a details like this, and let's copy some details from here, like let's copy some information quickly. Yeah, this is the details kind of stuff. So I'm gonna just copy this, okay. And after this details we're gonna have another thing that is called review. So let's copy the review as well. I'm gonna copy this review as stuff, okay. Let's do one thing. So I'm gonna copy this Apple Watch Ultra 2 kind of text as a review for now. I know it's not making sense, but yeah, Apple Watch Ultra fit with less airline, and this is awesome. This is awesome, okay. So we had created all these keys. So first of all we are having what, we are having id, name, brand, price and the product and images and the details, right, and the review as well, okay. So we had added just one image, one product. Now let's add like almost 5 to 6 image. So I'm gonna copy this as well, and let's go to the browser again, and I'm gonna use this image. Let's click on this Apple Watch series, copy this name, and let's open the second object and let's add it here, okay. And the price gonna be what, $50, and copy image link and let's add it here, okay. And after that we're gonna have second image, but before that let's add this image inside this image, okay. So we're gonna have a first image, second image, copy image link, and let's add it here as well. Now third image, let's add a third image like this, copy image link, and the third image is gonna be like this. Okay, and the fourth image, copy image link. Okay, and yeah, here we go. And the one more image, do we have one more image? Yeah, the fifth image, copy image link. All right, and so I'm gonna make the details from here. So let's add the details like essential companion kind of stuff and add it here. All right, so we had created almost 2 datas. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this id as a 2 and we gonna reuse this. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy and paste this content, and I'm gonna make this id as a 3, and the name, what is gonna name, let's open this this image, and I'm gonna copy this title, and I'm gonna add this title here. Okay, and I'm gonna click copy image link, and the image gonna be like this here. Okay, and after that we are supposed to do like click on this fourth image, like what we are doing quickly for now. So we are just changing the title and the product image. Okay, and we're gonna make this id as a 4, and we're gonna copy this name again, and I'm gonna make this like this. Okay, and copy image link. Okay, let's add it here like this. So what you guys can do, like you guys can create this data, or like I will create a gist. So what I'm gonna do guys for you, so I'm gonna create one GitHub gist for you guys. So once I create this gist, so let me create a gist quickly. Repository, new, not repository, create GitHub gist. Okay, so what I'm gonna do guys, once I create this gist for you, developer gists, let me see. So here I'm gonna create one all gits, and here I'm gonna create one gist for myself. So click on plus new, and here product data, and here what I just copy this all the data, like let me do control A, control C, and control P. Okay, and it's gonna be create a public gist. So we are going to create one gist for you guys. Okay, now once I create this gist, and what I do, I will provide this link. Okay, and you guys can copy and paste, like you can open this file and you can just copy this file and use it. All right, and yeah, awesome. Now let me close this, and after this, once you create this data, so I'm gonna add some more data by stopping the screen recording, and after that we gonna loop this data. All right, let's do that.